The screen fades in from black to a wide shot of the old, rusty black 1972 Opel GT abandoned under a large withered tree in the middle of a desolate field. The car, once full of life, now sits forgotten, covered in layers of dirt. Broken headlights and shattered windows are silent testimonies to years of neglect, a symbol of lost potential. A zoomed-in shot shows the deep dents on the body, rust eating away at the metal, faded, cracked paint, and dust that coats every inch. The wind gently blows through the dry grass, carrying with it the echoes of what was once a proud, beautiful machine. The car's sorrow is tangible, left to rot, forgotten, abandoned by time. The camera slowly pans to reveal the inside of the car, the torn seats, the cracked dashboard, the steering wheel hanging loosely as if still holding memories of the road. This interior, once full of life and stories, now lies silent, almost as if the car itself has given up hope. The music swells with anticipation as the shot transitions, showing a glimpse of the first steps of the restoration. Mechanics carefully begin to work, breathing life back into what was thought to be beyond repair. The first touches of new parts, the engine being carefully rebuilt. There's hope now, a spark of revival. The camera pulls back, revealing the black 1972 Opel GT in the midst of its transformation. The sky grows darker, the mood shifts. We catch a glimpse of the restored car in the distance, shining, powerful, and full of life again. A journey of rebirth has just begun, and it promises something beyond imagination.